This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check out the links in the descriptions. In this video, we are talking about bag ties and chip clips. These are the two things that we use at the top of our bags to help keep the product in place, right? So bag ties are great. They're usually made from a nice stretchy plastic material, and you can loop them around more than once if you want more pressure, but basically you're just looking to get that little loop over the little nub and kind of lock it in place, right? This will help keep your product down, keep it from coming out the top, and also put a little pressure on top of it, right? So these are important if you're working and you're not really experienced yet, and you find that the frosting migrates up the top of the bag, sometimes maybe spills out on your arm, or especially if you're working with looser product, like say a runny royal icing. And you can stretch them even more and wrap them around several times. One thing that I found that's relatively cheap and easy to get, and also not so easy to lose, are little chip clips and bread bag clips. They come in a variety of sizes. Sometimes, especially if I'm working with royal icing, I'll just put one at the end of the bag. That keeps everything inside sealed, keeps it from drying out, right? And allows me to twist and continually move my hand down the bag. So a little easier than a bag tie that I have to continually readjust. If I need to put pressure on the frosting, let's say if I've been piping, it's been a long day, my hand's a little tired, or if you have arthritis or anything, you can actually use it instead of your thumb and your index finger to build up the pressure on that bag a little better than with a bag tie. So these are relatively cheap. You can get them in big bags and variety packs and use the bigger ones for your actual chips and bread. And then I save the small ones for my bags. And occasionally I can find ones that are just the smaller ones. So these are just two things that I use to secure the ends of my bags. And I enjoy both of them and I use both of them. And both of them are a great idea or a great investment, especially if you're working with small children when you're decorating. It'll really cut down on the mess. If you like this video and you like more about the cake decorating equipment and materials we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you're interested in yearly membership, go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com to find out more information about what it entails. And if you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description.